First up, I have a piece of cardboard, and this is going to serve as the base for my cake. This one is not like a decorative border or anything, because I'm going to leave my cake on this board, or I could transfer it onto a plate, whatever I want. To get this to stick and not slide around, I've got a damp paper towel. So we're just going to kind of put that in the middle. I'm going to press on it really hard, and now my cake's not going to slide around while I'm icing it, okay? And then I've got an offset spatula. I really like to use one of these offset spatulas to ice with. It just comes really naturally to me. It's really easy. If you would rather use a straight one, you can. And then I have a bowl scraper. So these are really cheap and they're so useful. It's like 89 cents at the restaurant supply store. They have this nice right angle, which we're going to use to ice the side of our cake. I also use them a lot to help clean out these bowls because you can really get in there and get every last drop.